Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name: pink color, dark blue color, light yellow color, red color, orange color, black color, brown color and sky blue color. Let's start. A. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A. A for apple. A for apple. B. B for bat. B for bat. B. B for ball. B for ball. C. C for cat. C for cat. C. C for candy. C for candy. D. D for doll. D for doll. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for egg. E for egg. E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F. F for fish. F for fish. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for goat. G for goat. G. G for girl. G for girl. H. H for hen. H for hen. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for eyes. I for eyes. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. J for joker. J. J for jug. J for jug. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with a new topic. Till then, bye.